Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So scholars, today we are going to start with a new chapter. Chapter number 5, and the name of the chapter is Numbers up to 100. So let's begin with the chapter now. Scholars, in chapter number 1, we have already studied numbers up to 100. So now in chapter number 5, we will study numbers up to 100. So let's begin with the chapter now. See the first exercise given here on page number 87. Match. Each bunch has 10 grapes. Now here we have to match the grapes with the numbers. And each bunch has 10 grapes. So let's count now. 10, 20, 30, and the one that is given here, 31. So let's match it with 31. Now see the second one. Again, each bunch has 10 grapes. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 4 are given here. So 40 plus 4 is 44. So we can match it with 44. Clear? Now see the next one. 10 and 5. So what is 10 plus 5? 10 plus 5 is 15. So we need to match it with the number 15. This way. This is the way how you add the bunch of grapes with the number given here. Now see the next one. Again, each bunch has 10 grapes. There is a gap of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we need to match it with 50. 50 is written here. Now see the last one. 10, 20, and 4. So 20 plus 4 is 24. And 24, where is it is written here? Here. 24 is here, so we can match it with 24 like this. This is the way how you match them. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. Fill in the numbers before, after, or between. We have already studied before, after, and between. Let's do it. What comes after 45? 46. Now here we need to tell the number that comes between 38 and 40. So you can just see the number that comes after 38. That is 39. Okay. What comes before 22? 21. So this is the way how you find out numbers after, before, and between. So scholars, now let's move on to page number 90. This type of questions we have already done in chapter number 1. Okay, let's begin with the second one given here. 5 tens and 5 ones. As I've told you, these boxes represent tens and the green one represents the ones. So let's write them accordingly. How many tens are there? If you count them, each line has 10 boxes. Okay? First we will write with the ones. There are 5 ones and 5 tens. So how you read it together? 55. Okay? Now see the next one. Okay, first we will write from the ones. How many are there in the ones? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we will write 7 under the ones column. And how many are there in the tens? 5 tens. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can write 5 under the tens column. And how do we read it together? 57. Let's see the next one. Again, How many are there in the ones column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's write 8 under the ones. And how many are there in the tens column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 under the tens column, and together if we read them, it will be read as 58. Now scholars, I would like you all to try this 3 as homework. This type of questions we have already started in chapter number 1. Now scholars, I would like all of you to open page number 92. Fill in the missing numbers. Numbers from 50 to 100 are given here. We need to fill the numbers and complete the counting. 50, starting from 50. 50, 51, 52, 53, then 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and what come after 59? 60, 60. So now where we have ended, we will start the number after that. What comes after 60? 61, 62 is already written here. 63, 64 is already written here. 65, 66, 67, 68, then 69 and 70, 70. Again, where we have ended, we will start the number after that. So, 71, 72, 73 is already written here. 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80 is already written here. So scholars, now I would like you all to complete counting from 81 to 100 yourself. Okay? Next, move on to the next page. Page number 93. Number names. We have already started number names from 1 to 50 in chapter number 1. Now here we will study number names from 51 to 100. Number names and how to write the number for the given number name. So let's begin with the first one. 51. Here number names from 51 to 60 are given here. We need to write the numbers for them. 51, then 52, this is 53, 54, 55. Okay, this is the way how you write numbers for the given number name. So the remaining you try it yourself. Now we'll come to counting of 61. First one is already done. Now what comes after 61? 62, then this is 63. And what is written here? 64, then 65. In the same way, you have to complete the counting till 70. Now, come to 70. Now, 71 is already written. What comes? What is the number name given here? 72. Then 73. Then 74. And what is this? 75. This is the way how you read the number name and then write the number for it. Now see the number name for 81. What is this now? 82. 83. You have to read the number name properly and then you have to write 84. 85. This is the way how you have to complete it till 90. Okay, this is 90. Now see the last one. This is number name for from 91 to 100. 91 is already written. Now see 92. TWO 2. THREE 3. So we will write here 93. Then 94. And same way 95. So you have to complete this till 100. Okay? Okay. Let's move on to the next page. Page number 94. Fill in the boxes. This type of questions we have already studied. Let's repeat them. Okay, let's revise them. 65. In 65, 6 tens and 5 ones are there. In the same way, we have to do the other. Okay, how many tens and how many ones are there here in 97? So, 7 ones and 9 tens are there. Okay, same way, see the next one, 86. So, 8 tens and 6 ones are there. The same way, 32, 3 tens and 2 ones. Okay, this is one way how you can write. Now see the second way. 6 tens and 4 ones. As I told you, one strip of 10 has 10 ones. That means 1 10 is equals to 10 ones. So it can also be written as 6 tens means 60 tens and 4 ones. So this is also one way how you can write it. Okay, so see the second one, 7 tens and 3 ones. So it will be written as 70 plus 3. See the next one, 8 tens, 9 ones. So it will be written as 80 in the tens plus how many in the nines? 9. Okay. Now see the last one, 4 tens, 2 ones. So 40 in the tens column and 2 in the ones column. Okay. Now see this one, 9 tens and 3 ones. This type of questions can also come in the exam. Okay. What is 9 tens and 3 ones together called? 93. Same way, 8 tens and 2 ones. How do we read it? 82. Okay. 5 tens and 7 ones. How do we read it together? 57. And 7 tens and 1 in ones. How do we read it? 71. Okay. Now see the next question given here. Match the following. And one is already done for us. What we have studied just now, that same way we have to match them. First one is already done. We will see the second one. 6 tens and 8 ones will be read as 68. Where is 68 written here then? Here. So we will match it with 68 here. Okay. First we will complete left hand side and then we will move on to the right hand side. Now 5 tens and 9 ones will be read as 59. So let's match it with 59. 9 tens, 2 ones will be read as 92 and 92 is written here. Now see the right hand side. Now it is written in this form and again we have to match it with the numbers. 90 plus 2 is read as 92. So where is 92 written? Here. See this form 9 tens and 2 ones or 90 plus 2 both are same. Now see 60 plus 8 will be 68. So match it with 68. 80 plus 5 will become 85. So again we match it. The last one that I have left, I would like you all to try yourself, okay? So scholars, here, this much for today. And the remaining topics of this chapter we will cover in the next video, that is part 2 of chapter number 5. Till then, keep revising and practicing these sums at home. And the worksheet related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.